First of all, I would like to high respect to the Venerable Professor, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. My name is Preap Sokchea. Today I'm very happy to be here for presentation. My topic is to talk about quality of good leadership. Quality of good leadership. What is leadership, everyone? Yeah, what is leadership? For my idea, leadership is the abilities of a superior to influence the behavior of subordinate and persuade them to follow a particular course of action. And one more that related to the leadership, the definition. The leadership is also known as the abilities of the main manager to induct subordinate to work with confidence and zeal. This is the definition of leadership. And second point is very important. It's very important for everyone if you want to become a good leader. Yeah, a good leader. So I will to explain for everyone to talk about the quality of good leadership. The quality of good leadership. Okay, I have 12 points to explain or to show about you how to be a good leadership. How to be a good leadership. Quality of good leadership. A leadership has got a multidimensional trait in him which make him upskilling and effective in behavior. The follow are the requisite to be present in a good leader. A good leader. So I will to explain one by one to talk about the quality of good leadership. The first point is intelligence. What is intelligence? The leader should have a high level of intelligence with sound educational and technical background. Yeah, technical background. Second point, emotional stability. Emotional stability. Emotional stability, we talk about a leader should be emotional stable. Emotional stable. He should not lose temper at any stake. Yeah. We should not lose temper at any stake. 3. Understanding human behavior. Understanding human behavior. A leader should possess a deep understanding about human behavior, emotional need extra, and he should be able to deal with people. Okay. Number 4, understanding the view of other. The leader should understand the view of other. If he does all things in his own way, he may lose the support of other. This is the understanding the view of other. Number 5, motivating the follower. Motivating the follower. It is not enough if the leader is self-motivated. He should also know how to motivate his follower. Number 6, initiative and creative abilities. The leader should take initiative because he has to take the lead to do a work, and then only others will follow. The leader should also have creative abilities. Creative abilities. Number 7, judging ability. The leader should be strong. The leader should be able to judge anything. Then only the leader can anticipate the response to the action and decision. Okay. Number 8, responsibly decision and making. Okay. The leader should lead from the front by taking the responsibility and must be decision maker. Number 9, guidance. The leader, you should know your goal, your direction or your goal, the way how to be success a good leader. So the leader should be a good guy, you should be a good guy to subordinate. We should tell and demonstrate the way of doing work. Okay, so the leader should be a good guy. Okay, should be a good guy. Number 10, personality. The leader should have an attractive and pleasing personality. And number 11, a leader should believe. Number 11, dignify. Okay, dignify. A leader should behave with his subordinate in a dignified manner. Number 12, honest. Honest. Everyone, if you want to be a good people, to be a good person in your family, in your work, you should be honest, especially leader. Okay, leader should be honest, sincere, fair, and reasonable in his dealing with this subordinate. So everyone should be honest. Should be honest. Okay, that's all my point that I talk about my topic. So I hope that all main point that I presentation, I think everyone should to understand some main point that I show you. So my presentation come to finish, and finally I would like to say thank you so much to our professor that give me to be strong, to be a good student in our class, make me ability or make me to get a high knowledge. I would like to say thank you to the professor, and I wish all of you have good luck, good health, and happiness in your family, and also successful in your work and successful in your study. Thank you so much.